how to add a mobile responsive poster for your Shopify Horizon theme. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how it's done. This is going to be one of the basic things that you can do with Shopify, is adding posters and ensure that it is perfect all across platforms, or devices I should say. So first you will need to just log into your Shopify admin, go to online store themes, and just click on edit theme. From here, you should be able to see this poster by default if you did not change anything with it. I'm just going to remove it completely and add a new one. So I'm just going to click on add section within the template. And then from here, we simply just add the hero poster or banner. And you also have different options like hero bottom aligned, or any of them. So you have a bunch of them to choose from, or actually I'm just going to go for this one instead of the default hero. Next up, we can just go in and drag it up to be at the top. Once that's done, we can feel free to actually change the image by clicking on image here and selecting an image. I'm just going to use one of the free images for the sake of this tutorial. Next up, you can feel free to adjust the text as you like. So just go and click on any piece of text that you want to adjust, and you are going to be able to do so from here. You have the options to choose the width, the actual text itself, all of these things. So once this is done, we can simply just go to the mobile view on the top right corner and see whether it's going to be suitable for us or not. And by default, Shopify optimizes the mobile view for you, so it's going to be fully responsive to mobile depending on the actual mobile device, whether it's going to be a mobile phone or tablet or whatever it may be. But you have a few options to do with when it comes to mobile, so you can actually make it a little bit more suitable. For example, if you click on the actual image itself, you can just scroll down. You should be able to see mobile media, and you can make it so that it's a custom mobile media. Click on that and you can feel free to pick a different image only for mobile. So I just picked this one, for example. If it's more suitable for you in mobiles, then you can feel free to pick this one. And if you just switch back to desktop, you can actually see that it's the original one. So it's only going to change for mobile view. Now I need to note, if you actually change any of the elements themselves, for example, the text, so the actual, let's say, colors of them, the appearance of them, is also going to change for the desktop. So unfortunately, you're not going to be only making changes for mobile, but you're going to also include the desktop view as well. So for example, if we remove the introducing here, if we just completely remove it, then if we just go back to desktop, it's also going to be removed from here. So it's not going to be only for mobile. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, this is pretty much it. So we can actually add another section, for example, a slideshow, and it's automatically going to be responsive for mobile as it is. So if we just go to mobile view, we can actually see it's going to automatically be adjusted, and you're going to have the, different slides and so on. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.